Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Mitsubishi Lancer key. First, gather all your existing keys and the new key you wish to program. It's crucial that your car's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. Next, find your vehicle's diagnostic port, typically located beneath the dashboard on the driver's side. This port is essential for connecting the programming tool. Let's get started. Now, let's dive into the programming sequence. Insert an already programmed key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Immediately turn the ignition OFF and remove the key within 10 seconds. You'll need to repeat this exact on and OFF cycle for every existing, working key you have. This step prepares the system for new key recognition. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. And speaking of staying focused during projects, a quick recommendation: keep yourself hydrated. The Owala water bottle is fantastic for that, ensuring you stay refreshed while tackling tasks like key programming. Check the description for a link to the Owala bottle and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. After cycling through your existing keys, it's time for the new one. Insert the unprogrammed key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. Do not start the car. You should observe the security light flashing, which confirms the key has been successfully programmed. Finally, remove the key and test all its functions, including starting the engine and using the remote lock and unlock features. Congratulations!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.